Hello, beautiful people, what is up?
So what's up, people? As I said here today in this video, we're gonna discuss about the guy known as Vim. Actually, this is my favorite extension. It increases your quality, saves your time as well. So now, as I said you, we're gonna discuss about it in clear detail. So mostly people in videos in YouTube, they teach you a lot of shortcuts. They teach you a ton of things in Vim that I even don't know. I actually use specific basic shortcuts. So my favorite, these all shortcuts are my favorite. So I'm going to teach you about these fellows today. So let's start with the first one. So let's start with the basics on how to go in Vim mode and go back to the insert mode. So first, if you just click on escape, you go to Vim mode. You see a bold type of cursor comes again. And if you want to go in insert mode, you just click I, so that you can type whatever you want. But if you want to go in Vim mode, you just click on escape, and there you go, E. So this is the thing. Now the next shortcut I'm going to talk about is up. So these are actually not important, but still you can actually see them. So if you want to go up, you click on K. See? So easy. And if you want to go down, you click on J. Pretty simple, right? Now, and these are right and left, L and H. Oh, my bad. So, yep. L. So sorry. Yep. L and H. Okay. Now the next thing is W. So if you want to move word by word, so you click W in Vim mode. So if I just go here and I click W, you go word by word. You see? That's the thing. And if I go to hello, if I click W, it crosses hello first. See? Then beautiful, then people, in the same manner. Now, the next thing is E, which move by words and at cursor. So like this, it just goes in the backward direction. So if I just click E, it goes in the backward direction. See that? Boom, like that. End of the cursor. It goes backward. Now the next one is B, move backward by words. So it actually goes like this. You see this? B, B. It actually goes like people, beautiful, hello. Wow. Pretty simple. Till now, still clear. Now Control U. It moves by specific paragraph. So if I just go here in the starting, and if I do Control U, it just goes like that. No, sorry, down, right? So if I just go Control D, it just goes down. Now I do Control U, it goes up, down, up. Do along with me. Okay, so Control D, Control U, up, down. The next thing is DD, my favorite. Okay, so what this does is it actually deletes a specific line. So if I go in, now it's insert mode. If I go in Vim mode and do DD, it just deletes a line. So yeah. Now go down. If I do DD, delete a line. And if I just give a coefficient to DD, like if I do DD, it deletes 2 lines. If I do 5 DD, it deletes 5 lines. In that manner. So if I do U, it just undoes it. Now the next thing is if I just if I give a coefficient to DD, it deletes that specific amount of lines. Now CC, change a line. So if I do CC, it changes it. So you can, it stills be there. It deletes the line, takes you to the insert mode, so you can actually change the line and do your stuff of code. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the 18th one, that is capital D. It deletes, as you can see here, it deletes from where your cursor is. So if I keep my cursor at h1 after the h1 tag and I do capital D, it deletes everything after the cursor. So yeah, if I go to this, the 10th line, it deletes this is your friend Arif, comma Arif, and the whole thing. So if I do capital D, done. So far so good, simple. Okay, now the next one is capital C. Change from where your cursor is. So you go here, do capital C, it deletes the line from the point where your cursor is and takes you back to insert mode. So yeah, so just undo it. Okay, vim mode, undo it. So let's just see over here, hello beautiful people. It deletes the whole tag, hello beautiful people, and the h1 end tag, and just takes you back to insert mode. So if I just do capital C, done. Yep. Now the next one is X. Remove character, the small x. So it just removes characters. So if I just take it over here, it will delete H. So X. See that? E L L O. Okay, like that. Now the next thing is undo. As I said, U. If I just delete this line, DD, and if I do U, it undoes it and brings back the line. Now Control R. Control R is redo. Let's just check it out. If I just delete this line, I do Control R. Wait a second. You see, it redoes it. Okay. See, I just deleted a line and I just undo it, and it redoes it back. And then last second one, that is paste. Let's just copy something which with YY. If you just put YY, I copy this line, and if I want to paste here, I just click P and it pastes it. So these are some basic Vim shortcuts that you need to learn so that you could be faster, your productivity will increase, and your quality of code will be improved. So you will get the shortcuts, the list of all the shortcuts, in the GitHub link in the description below. Please check it out. Now that's it for this video. Take care, bye.